Murder. All of them. I don't know how, but they're not suicides, they're killings. Serial killings. We've got a serial killer.
It makes up for a blog that I accidentally read last night that described me as horse-faced, arse-named.
Maximum pressure just under the half-second. Client.
I don't think Sherlock Holmes had much time for me. I don't think he gave me the time of day. Oh, he'd see through me straight away. I'm an actor, for Christ's sake. He'd see my poker face very, very soon.
Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you, and you just gotta ignite.
This is your universe, Frankenstein!
Just own the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth, and make 'em go as you should.
Wooden and untalented. I can dispute the last two possibly because you've honoured me with this, but the first two, yeah, I am horse-faced and arse-named, but there we go. What can you do? It's what I was born and blessed with.